emergent weather message for the following county: Tuscarawas County, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for north central Belmont County and east central Ohio, extreme north central Quincy County and east central Ohio, southern Harrison County and east central Ohio, southeastern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Topekano, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Topekano, Freeport, Clendening, Piedmont, Flushing, Cadiz, New Athens. A weather message